Honorable Chairman, कल मैंने इस आर्टिकल पर अपना भाषण शुरू किया था। स्पीकर ने कहा था कि इसे रूल के मुताबिक किया जाए, तो अब मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो आर्टिकल है ये ऑथेंटिकेट किया जाए। आप ऑथेंटिकेट कीजिए और मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूं। हाँ, मैं दे रहा हूं ना, दिया है मैंने, दे रहा हूं, ये रहा, यही मैं कर रहा हूं। तो ओके,
Give it authenticate.
so this is
Please table it.
table it, please.
Please table it. We
Speaker
will
sir,
examine it and we'll get back to you.
Chairman, right?
And
Chairman sir,
yeah,
I have
please
authenticated the article.
Please continue on Honorable President's speech.
Yes. So, as I said yesterday, very important matter in the President's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship between us and the Chinese and the Pakistanis. There is a very important matter that is quoted inside this article that I have authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and...
Sir, I am once again...
No.
Please.
No, sir.
Once again.
Sir.
No, once again. Sir, I am once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President. I am requesting LOP to please
There's a
restrict
confusion.
himself to the speech of the Honorable President.
Let us not mislead the House. Let us clear the confusion. Today also I had requested both Venugopalji and Gauravji also. We are patiently waiting to listen to the Honorable Leader of the Opposition. The matter which was referred to just now, yesterday the Chair has given a ruling. On the paper on which he has authenticated, there is table in the House. But what I am saying is, when a ruling has already been given on a matter which he referred yesterday, he can't be quoting same matter again in a pretext of making a reference indirectly. He cannot refer on the same matter. Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Please be seated. Please be seated. Dolji, please. Please be seated. Please. Everybody, please be seated. कौन बोला है? अरविंदर सिंह? नहीं, अरविंद सिंह जी वारिस, अमरिंदर सिंह जी,
आप आगे पढ़ते चलिए सर, पढ़ते चलिए।
श्री गुरदीप सिंह ओजोला, हिबी ईडन, आप सुनिए सही, दीन कुरियाकोस जी, प्रशांत परोले जी, किरण कुमार रेड्डी जी, एस वेंकटरमन जी, मणिकम टैगोर जी, ये सभी माननीय सदस्य सभापटल पर नारेबाजी और पेपर फाड़ कर फेंक रहे थे, इसलिए मैं इन सब को नेमिंग कर रहा हूँ। श्री किरण रिजिजू जी,
I beg to move that this House
please be seated.
serious note of the misconduct of Sri Manikam Tagore, Sri Amrinder Singh Raja Waring, Sri Gurjit Singh Aulia, Sri Hebi Eden Prashant Padole, Sri Dean Karyakos, S. Venkatesh and Kiran Reddy in utter disregard to the House and the authority of the Chair through reaching to the table of Secretary General and other officers in the well of the House and throwing papers on the Chair and having been named by the Chair, resolved that the above mentioned members may be suspended from the services of the House for the remainder of the session under Rule 3742.
प्रश्न यह है कि श्री किरेन रिजिजू द्वारा प्रस्तुत प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया जाए। जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में है वो हाँ कहे, जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के विपक्ष में है वो ना कहे। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ। प्लीज बी सीटेड, प्लीज बी सीटेड। नो नो, सभा की कार्रवाई बुधवार दिनांक 4 फरवरी 2026 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।